Hi there, Fozzie Bear here,
And Kermit the Frog, too.
with a read-along story to share with you. Right, Kermit?
Right, Fozzie. Now all you have to do is...
I know. Look at your book.
Right. And listen, and turn the page whenever you hear this bell. Fozzie, the bell.
The turn the page bell?
Yes.
Ah, isn't that nice? Okay, Kermit, time to begin.
Right. Ha! Time to relax.
Sighed Kermit the Frog as he settled down in his easy chair.
What's this? Looks like a note from Robin.
Dear Uncle Kermit, I have gone to spend a night in the woods. I'm trying to win my Frog in the Wilds badge for Frog Scouts. I can't take any food. I must forage.
Kermit, what's forage?
It means to search for food. Oh, sorry, Robin. Go on.
I must forage, but it's all right. I have 1 box of matches to make a fire. See you tomorrow. Love, Robin.
I know what that means. Time to turn the page, right, Kermit?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead with the story.
It's your turn.
Oh. A little later, Kermit was working in his garden.
Lucky Robin.
He thought,
Nothing like a peaceful night in the woods. Just then, Fozzie Bear stopped by the gate.
"Oh, that's me. Hi, Kermit.
He said,
What's new?" Kermit handed him Robin's note. "Oh, Kermit, this is terrible."
cried Fozzie.
"Poor Robin. He'll starve. He'll freeze. And there are scary things in the woods, like bears. You've got to protect him."
Okay, I wouldn't mind a peaceful night in the woods.
Said Kermit.
I'll go camp near Robin. If he needs help, I'll be right there,
"Great idea. I'll go too."
Fozzie decided.
Oh, boy, yeah, this is terrific. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what's going on here?
Suddenly, Kermit had company.
Count me in.
Said Gonzo.
I'm with you, man.
Said Floyd Pepper. "Camping! Camping!" bellowed Animal, and Miss Piggy squealed with delight.
There goes one peaceful night in the woods.
Sighed Kermit. Kermit told his friends to go home and pack.
Don't forget to bring warm socks and sleeping bags.
15 minutes later, the rescue party set out to find Robin. They'd brought warm socks and sleeping bags and a tuba and shovels and an umbrella and costumes from the theater. They trudged up a steep hill. Into a dark and tangled forest.
Wow, a swamp! It's fantastic! Let's camp here.
Gonzo suggested, but Kermit said,
No, I think we'd better keep going.
"Sleep in tree," Animal insisted, but Kermit said,
Let's keep going.
Man, I do like ditches.
Floyd yawned. He lay down in a ditch and fell asleep.
Floyd. Hey, Floyd.
Catching a couple of Z's, man.
Well, I think we walked far enough.
Kermit decided.
Let's set up camp in this clearing and have something to eat. Then we'll find Robin. Sweetums put up the tent.
Sweetums, is that the way a tent's supposed to look, sir?
Fozzie asked.
Yes!
Sweetums answered.
Looks terrific.
Said Fozzie. Now for some food.
Kermit looked in the food bag.
I've got good news and bad news.
He said.
The good news is we brought a nice big food bag. The bad news is we forgot the food.
What food?
They all groaned.
Oh, Kermit.
Then Gonzo said,
If helpless little Robin can camp without food, so can we. I'll just run down to the store and buy a nice, yummy dinner.
we can't buy food in the woods.
Kermit explained.
No store.
That's right, yes. Of course.
He's got a point there.
We'll forage. We'll hunt. There's plenty to eat. Berries, fish, and don't forget dragonflies.
Dragonflies? The frog is finally flipped.
It's all out there waiting for us.
I'll be the berry hunter. Get it? Berry? Waka waka.
Fozzie said. Berry hunter? Oh, B-E-A-R. I get it.
And I'll be the fisherman.
Gonzo volunteered.
I'll be great. I'll catch the biggest fish you ever saw.
That's all you found?
Asked Kermit when they came back to camp.
Yeah, but you should have seen the one that got away.
Bragged Gonzo. Sweetums made a fire while Floyd made dinner. Kermit looked into the pot and gulped.
Shoe and berry stew? Nice going, gang.
Maybe we'd better start looking for Robin,
Fozzie suggested after dinner. Good idea.
said Kermit.
But remember, we're only here to help him if he needs help.
But finding Robin wasn't easy. They found his cap and a match, but no Robin.
They found some flipper prints that looked like Robin's, but no Robin.
They followed the flipper prints all the way to a deep, dark cave. Oh, I knew it. I told you.
Cried Fozzie.
Poor Robin's been frog-napped by bears.
Fozzie, there's no such thing as frog napping.
Kermit insisted.
Now, let's see if Robin is in the cave,
Good idea.
said Fozzie.
You go first. Kermit was about to creep into the cave when Floyd shouted.
Wait, more flipper prints.
They followed Robin's tracks to a deserted old house. The roof had holes in it, and the shutters banged in the howling wind. Gonzo whispered.
I'll bet a witch lives here.
Kermit called out.
Anybody home?
No one answered, except an owl.
They, all ran away. I'm freezing, said Floyd. I'm starving, said Miss Piggy. I'm scared, said Fozzie.
I'm Gonzo.
Said Gonzo.
I think Robin's in trouble,
Fozzie said.
I know we're in trouble, man.
Said Floyd.
We're like lost.
But just then, Kermit saw a light through the trees. Animal ran toward the glow, shouting, "Light! Light!"
The others ran after him, tripping over the twisted roots in the path. Sweetums ran into Floyd, who ran into Miss Piggy, who ran into Fozzie,
Wahaha!
who ran into Animal.
Wah! Look at that! They shouted. They were back at their camp, but it sure wasn't the same. The tent was sturdy, the fire was blazing, and the hungry campers could smell fish and wild mushrooms simmering in the pot.
Who did this?
Kermit asked. A little green figure stepped into the light of the campfire and answered.
I did.
It was Robin!
I found your camp and saw how much help you needed, so I...
They all ran to greet the little frog. Were the bears nice to you?
Asked Fozzie.
And what about the witch?
Asked Gonzo.
Where have you been?
Asked Kermit.
All over the place, Uncle Kermit.
Robin explained.
First I set up camp, and then I foraged for food. I caught a big fish and found lots of berries. And after I ate, I found a swell cave and a nifty little house. When it got dark, I started back. Then I saw your tent and knew you were in trouble. Was it the bears who messed it up? And did a witch put a shoe in your stew?
Yes. I mean, no. Funny you should ask.
Said Kermit, just as Sweetums picked Robin up and gave him a big sloppy kiss.
That's wonderful.
You guys.
That's great. The next day, Robin won 2 awards. His Frog Scout leader gave him the Frog in the Wild badge for camping alone in the woods, and a very special badge that said,
For helping campers in trouble. Oh, boy.
Good old